Today, BodyCulinary.com and DelilahFitness.com review the WaKa WaKa Solar Charger. Stay tuned.
Greetings, everyone. This is BodyCulinary.com.
And this is DelilahFitness.com.
And we're here to share our experience with the WaKa WaKa Solar Charger while we're here in the rainforest in Belize. So I have to say I've tried several chargers since we've been here. This one has been the best. I thought the price was kind of steep, but it wound up being worth it because I didn't have to buy a whole bunch of batteries. I could sit it outside. It has a nice stand that I could hang on things, and it has 3 different levels for the light. It gives you an indicator of whether or not it's fully charged, and also you get a light if it's charged here. And it has a USB and another, I don't know what you call this port, but it has 2 different ports so that you can plug it in. So I really like it. It's gotten caught out in the rain several times, but overall I think I'm going to have to give this a 9.5. What did you think?
I thought it was great. I actually damaged mine. I don't have a back anymore. But I actually would give it a 9.5, and if it lasted that long with me, about a year in Belize in the rainforest, I'm gonna actually give it a 10 because I've worn out some solar panels, some solar charger panels, and I actually like the ports in the side where I could charge up my iPad and my iPhone. So a 10 for me.
Yeah, we haven't had to buy any more batteries. We're early on, we were using batteries, but this came in great. So it's priced under $100. I think batteries, particularly over here in Central America, would have cost us a lot more, and we're using it pretty much in the evening for lighting, if we're crocheting or creating something, or if we're walking through the rainforest so we can see snakes and everything. We've been using the WaKa WaKa. So we really like this one. Some of the this has been the best one, and we've had 3 or 4 chargers since we've been here to work with our iPads or computers when we have access to them. But so far we get a thumbs up.
Thumbs up.